Writing style casual. Hey, so Mother's Day is right around the corner, and I've got a confession to make. I love my kids to bits, right? But when Mother's Day rolls around, the best gift I can think of? It's not the usual suspects. No candles, no bath bombs, no cute little picture frames. Nope. All I really want? It's time. Time alone. Now don't get me wrong. I'm head over heels for my family. My two little girls, they are my world. But oh boy, they keep me on my toes. They're 3 and 18 months old, meaning I'm right in the thick of it. From the crack of dawn, it's go, go, go. I'm breaking up squabbles, answering endless calls for water, handling every kind of tiny catastrophe you can imagine. So, for Mother's Day, give me a day. Just one day where I'm not a climbing frame or a referee, a day where I don't have to sort laundry, dodge toys, or whip up meals on demand. Imagine it, a full night's sleep. Waking up past 6:30 a.m. Drinking my coffee while it's still hot. What a concept. And maybe, just maybe, watching a bit of the Today Show or diving into a good book without a tiny visitor barging in. And it's not just about escaping the chaos. It's about stepping back, taking a breath, and reminding myself why I adore being a mom. It's about recharging those mom batteries so I can dive back into the playground of life with renewed energy and, let's be honest, a bit more sanity. And sure, I'll happily accept the adorable, albeit slightly wonky daycare crap that's bound to come my way. I'll cherish the handmade card with scribbles that are supposed to be hearts. I love all of that. But that quiet time, it's golden. Because here's the thing, having that time to myself isn't just a treat. It's a necessity. It reinforces that amidst the endless chores and the occasional tears, being a mom is the best job in the world. And after a bit of me time, I'm more than ready to jump back in, scoop up my little ones, give them the biggest hug, and tackle the beautiful chaos of motherhood with everything I've got. So let's hear it for all the moms out there. Sometimes the best way to celebrate us is just by giving us a little space to breathe. Trust me, it makes all the difference.